Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a line in the Numbers app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. Since we already have a document created, from here we just click on Insert in the top row, and then we have Line, and here we have a few options. Just a simple line, line with arrowhead, line with two arrowheads, straight connection line, curved connection line, angled connection line. Let's see curved connection line. Here, as you can see, we can add the connection between this table and this table. And it's just that simple. Or probably, can we add it to the top? No, just the bottom. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. And as you can see, the connection line remains. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.